Okay, so that stuff I'm trying to show us. Normal, say that they teach us normal from very basic. Say once you see a ranging market, don't trade. Avoid a ranging market. Blah 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 blah. I think they tell people shall, but I tell them now, say if you notice a ranging market a range. You just mark the high and the low of the range. Mark am. Mark the high, mark the low. Just like this same three candles stuff, the same thing too. Wait for either, what's it called? Either side to be taken. Just wait for a candle to break out of that zone. We dey call them the manipulation leg. So this one now will be your accumulation phase. Accumulation. Once accumulation is done, you wait for a manipulation leg. Once the manipulation finish, you trade the reverse direction. Like that first breakout is always false. They call manipulation there. And the English manipulation. Then you anticipate a distribution to the downside. Now what it play out for here? So we check here now. You can see this range. After the range, you have this manipulation of the downside, which is a false leg always. To anticipate market will come for these guys and see a market already work already. So sometimes you know go see your structure, whatever. See them every time. That's 1 to 4. Is that 1 to 4 complete? Even 1 to 3 service nice. Some kind of condition. So that's it. So let's talk. I never share my screen.
Will they see your screen?
I coffee yes, I never share them. So do we have any questions like what you not understand, what you want make a talk on? Man, now let me dey teach you everything. Like, is there something you need me to talk on? Maybe trading view interface, just anything. Let's talk. And maybe issues when you dey face or your own personal trading. What was it? Let's know. There was one thing not to learn, one thing not to execute. That's the issue.
And the discipline I remember from my side
Okay.
because sometimes I go like over trade or sometimes be impatient for better confirmation.
See, the something about impatience, we say that thing you do everybody. So that you just need to train yourself small. You get because
Yeah,
say you dey Nigeria now, you go know say dollar don cost. If you lose $5 now, body go prepare you. Not get how you want talk.
yeah,
As at last year, at the risk some days 50 to 100 USD per some days 200 USD per trade. But currently, if I lose $10 now, it cry. We are there now. If I lose $10 per trade, it cry. You understand, Abi? So
yeah.
if you don't know how your account dey, how house dey, how everything dey, bro, nobody go teach you patience. Only you go learn am.
Yeah.
That's just it. Then current Nigeria, now, if you dey make close to 150 USD per week, sef, you are good to go now. How much are the chop? How much are the chop? Now I tell you, say people dey take forex dey play, but they no dey really understand. They no dey understand wetin I dey try talk. See the something. Make we do small maths now. But people no dey wan understand when I tell na risk to reward, small account, you are good to go. Let's say you have a $50 account, sef. 50 USD account, so you dey risk $5 per time. This trade now, so it happened that was on Friday. I be good. This one na 8 hour trade. Let's say out of your 50 USD now, you risk $5. Out of your 50 USD, you risk 5 USD. As you ETP now, so that's 5 times 8. 5 times 8 USD already. 5 times 8. That should be around 40, abi?
About 40, yes.
That's 45 times 8. At the form of 5 times 8. That's 40 USD. Dollar currently dey around 1,450. I be trade this one times 1, 4. That's 40 now times 1450. That's 58K. I'm comparing, yes, 40 times 1450. That's almost 60,000, 58,000 naira. Now that's on a single trade, though. Risking just $5. If you fit get this kind of trade just twice a week, like twice a week, that's what's it called? A 58K times 2. That's 116,000. That's in 7 days. You know, waiting people, government workers, they earn what's it called? 77,000 minimum wage. So that they will say you don't really need huge capital to trade, just that you need the knowledge. After I also learn this thing finish, size your account. If you get $50, risk $5 per time. You lose one, what's it called? You lose $5, you still get 45. You lose the next trade, you are down to 40. Even if you lose 4 trades back to back, just one trade, 1 to 5, you cover your losses, you get profit on top. So people when they want find $10,000 account, 50K accounts, I know say fine, your with time responsibility go dey. But currently, most of us never marry, we never get much to do. So I think it's okay. Then as they make your small account, with time you get a proper account and scale up. Do we get? So this idea of over trading, over this thing, it not really sits well with me. Because on a normal, this one now, this 57K now, waiting person now go wake up every morning, bath, dress up, enter traffic, go work. Like work, what's it called? Let's say half a month, 15 days, morning to evening, to collect half of this will be like say you sit down for your house making just 1 hour. Right? So when people they tell me say that they over trade, not they always sit well with me. I don't know. Like I really can't. Me when I tell una say I know the trade on Monday, I know how they avoid because Monday market is always it's not always in my favor. I don't know. I don't take time, take statistics. On Mondays and Wednesdays, I dey always lose money. Like I dey always dey the wrong side of the market. I go see clear structure, fine, but I will end up losing money. Those 2 days. So now why I write and say money not the trade. You must not do it oh, if it dey in order for you, but just dey patient. Get one class. If na one set up a week safe. One set up a week, risk $10 out of your $50. This one now if you hit TP now, that's 80 USD. 80 times this thing is how much? Now better money now. 80, what's it called? 80 USD times 1450. That's almost 120K. How much they chop a week? Do this kind of trade, do it two times in a month. You don't get almost a 200,000 in a month. I don't know why. So some person they feel like say forex based on see wetin mentors they post online, people go post their G-Wagon, post their blah 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 blah. Most of them, you don't know their equity. That's something. You don't know how much they are balance. Like my first man, now why I not the one show people my trading results, my profit margin, and because it will give una the false hope of the market. Baba back COVID, that guy was making $10,000 every day, like 10K US every day. We just know saying they make 10K. The account balance, we don't know. How much be equity, we don't know. How much in the loss, he never told us. In just a post by every day 10K made, 10K made. Now when the scammer, he entered the fake prop firm also, cause Forex. Then he cry say he lost 1.5 million dollars and 1.2 them. So imagine person whether they manage $1.2 million equity as at COVID. Then you want carry my $100 carry the jump. It's not possible now. Do you get? So
Yeah.
they sold us that idea of okay, now before you can make any amount of money. But that equity, they not tell us how far. See waiting. You understand? You make 10K out of $1 million. You're not doing it, you're not doing any big thing when I see. Personally.
Mm.
I've done a $1 account on Deriv to 90 USD on a single trade. Now, when I even start newly safe, I don't do $1 account to go 90. How many percent? How many years did that? I don't see flip my 500 USD account one day. That was around 2024, November, that period. I just one trade when go in my favor. I double 500 USD account on a single trade. Then my normal one, they carry $20, go $100, 20 to 80, back to back bet. I don't know. You get $1 million account, you dey make $10,000 per day. Not be big flex for me from which I don't know now. Do you get? But back then now, 10K na big money, fine, but that idea they sell give us really fuck most of us up, seriously. Because I remember I funded my first 100 USD. It not reach 5 minutes, it blow. I found second one. And my third funding, I start to see money. If I show now my trade history, when I start forex, I go laugh. Like, to make $1 that period there, you see, I fit take like 20 trades a day to make just $10. Like $0.5. I don't close. Okay, I don't get profits. I point it again. Make $2. You understand that kind of plenty accumulation. But my then the target was make $10 to $20 per day. But you can see losses. One loss will you come, yeah. All you don't work is money. You don't carry am.
You will just go.
You understand? Then that anger now, because you man start like he really fuck with us most of the time. But at least I thank God say I told me people and teach me. I spent money, sha, but at least it was that 2023. I pay over 1,005, like over 1K5 to get courses that time. And nobody do one-on-one give me self. All those money I pay now for pre-recorded courses. Though. So that's just it. So that idea of over trading, it not really they sit well with me. It not really they sit well with me. Just size your accounts. Know how much you want risk per time and stick to it. Then if you want do flipping at all, like this kind of trade now, just fund that $10 for that account. Do you get fund that $10 for that account? Then pull like one position first. As they go in your favor, you add positions and scale up. Do you get? Not reach
Yeah.
that whole, not reach that, not use that your what's it called, that your $50 account carry flip. No, that one will enjoy it. Because by chance this trade fail now, we say $5 minus. You know say per SA you dey put na five USD loss with that. So if you put your $50, we say you dey risk your whole account. But if you put just
Yeah.
$5, yeah, you know say market go below, you go lose $5. You can load positions in here. Put the first one and send that profit you add. Now if you scale up. Now we say fund only $5 for that account. Load them. Make sure say the first one they profit first to then small rejection, small candle come down, you load them ahead. But if you go put your whole account, you go down, then that one go enjoy you. So I did do mad things before this. Of late, I won't just dey calm because I lose money last year. Towards ending of the after that robbery, I not got day too okay. You know that fear, I not coffee they sleep well, but you get bills to pay, you get this one to do, money, that pressure. I lose money well, so then crypto too cost a record. So over trading not really be problem much. Just size your account. Now you know how much you fund, you know how much you feel risk per time. So that's just it. Then not take and say the faster you don't sabi this strategy means say you not go lose. No. This thing na game of pride. Now I tell people say forex na gambling to an extent. Like not like what's it called? Not like the average what's it called? Sporty bet people do.
Naira bet.
Exactly. But in as much as you dey put in ₦5 to make ₦10, you dey put in ₦10 to make 20, bro, na gamble you dey gamble. And the outcome is always true. It's either a one, that's you win, or a zero, you lose. So in as much as the outcome of the event they uncertain, that's gambling. And you not care how you want to and yo, forex na yeah. I go tell you truth. That's me. If you want first, that's the truth. I know say banks go pay to fine, but that's just it. And I mean how much we bought what's it called? This I called this project on my crypto channel. That was late last year. Phil, I see the credit now. I sell am a loss carry chop. Fila USDT. Phil USDT. Yeah, I think that project we did around.
That is $2 now.
That I say that when we buy that project, that project we did around I think 14, 15 USD. That time I was clocking okay. I mean, at the risk very high. Like if I had to say, they know me now go big or go home, let me my own. You don't give me money, give me. If you don't take from me, take. Good. See the sharp self. See, I'm a I was anticipating
Yeah.
market go break above, go back up. Then will really punish me. See the drawing, we still dey. See am. But see wetin happen now. We did the reverse. Wetin we buy, we bought first bags at around I think $15 we buy. As e drop go 10 we buy. How come on small 13 na load money. See where project dey now $2. You know how much we like, you know how many percentage loss with this? You buy something at $15, dey $2 now. E got bad now, say Trump call the carry us low now. Imagine project you buy 15 and you dey sell am at $2 now to just to carry chop. E dey one kind now. So
Though,
you know gas is strong reach. Market go humble you. That's just it. So always like not expose your full account. That's what I'm trying to say. You get like
yeah.
know your risk appetite and stick to it. That kind not the year now. I just believe safe. I just see myself. It will go up. I think Solana. We hold Solana since $10. We hold Solana since $10. We don dey hold of how many years? Teach how many years now? Don dey go 3 years plus, abi? Should be more than 2 years now. We don dey hold so. My target was 500 USD. See all the drawing now. Good. See am here too. Let's buy
Don't
at
pass
$10.
it.
You see am, abi? We buy at $10. I call it at 20. 50 was a maximum. Our target was 500 USD. See am exactly. 400, 500. This thing reach what was it called? Almost $300 early this year. Good reach 290. We not sell. Target na 500. Where market dey now? So 130.
And you see the profit now.
Dey profit, you know you don hold something since 2023. Like how many years now? 2023 we go, man, I wan enter this project too. The target, see wetin Trump dey do now. And this thing na no clear reversal sign never show at all. See on a weekly chart o. See monthly. Reversal sign never show. And I see your three candle dey come for you already. So where you wan carry go chop? Imagine Solana come drop one, come below this week now. It will be terrible now. So the something is that the stocks will fail. Like it go fail you sometimes. And on a good day, it will go in your favor. So not expose your full account. That's the concept of this, what's it called? Account sizing. When I did shout every time, size your account, know how much you're willing to risk. See, all my technicals, this one reject the first time, pull, close our body, I piece and hand, it doesn't go. After see as it be now. Flag happen, we buy again, see, and everything go. So all my guy go tell you, say, everything you dey draw, now just you, they see what you draw. Market makers not care your strategy, not call with you, mark. Now, what they want do, they go do. And now when they want do, they go do. So all this is what they draw. Now, just reference point. If market come here, I buy. Market makers don't know waiting you they do. Do we get? So not risk your full account on one trade because if you say that a setup. Most of the time, you're not going to enjoy. Like most of the time, it won't end well. So when you see all those Twitter idols that they post only win back to back, all they want to sell courses. Like just to draw people, come on Telegram channel.
Calm.
Exactly. But I'm not just get that mind. I don't know. I'm not fit. So I don't know. I just can't. I go tell you the truth. If I say as this thing do, your mind you won't learn. But if I say you not feel risk, you just shake, then I will leave you. Yeah. So because it's on the range of it. No clear structure yet. So always size your account. Like that, what was it called? That 10K account I told us to trade for that FTM. I just want to see how now fit dey consistent for una loss margin. Now what I tell una say month end I go check una trade history. How many of una don create the account sef?
Yeah. I did 200 something profit.
Profit, okay. TJ, you go.
I don't create the account, but I never trade am.
Wetin happen? Today na 15th already o.
I dey one way.
Okay.
I'll work on it.
Okay. Then Nero.
So I
Where
don
you,
create my own o. I bin wan enter trade on Thursday, but I no know wetin dey happen. The thing no dey. If I click on whether create order something like that, the thing no dey gree work. I no know. Maybe I go dey use my system take log in am first,
so
but e no gree work for my phone.
why you not talk since you get that kind of issue? Why you not talk?
I no come know wetin dey. I come dey try I come update the app dey try dey do am again. So na MT5 I dey use. I update the app, e dey still no work.
Because I know why I give una that, so make una try. Make una try because if you see this stuff I dey teach now, na wetin dey work. Like e dey play out every just that people no dey take am serious before. And how I carry guy idea of this thing na far back COVID. I saw a guy did a $50 account around 4,005, like 50 USD, so 4,005. And that guy scale positions. I see in profit that time. I think so. Yes, I see the profit and the chart, and not just the same thing. What was it called? A doji went form for up for 4 hour charts. Just this move when come down now, Baba called low down from $50 to around 4,005. So I don't try want to understand how we carry enter this thing. And last year, I can't get clarity for this thing seriously, which I don't try to understand since so. And last year I get clarity. So this thing they work every time. It works just that. Now you also be patient, then engage. So once you've seen your daily or your work, if you check all these pairs now, GU, let me clear this. If you check all these pairs now, see your monthly. You see, and now monthly don't hit target already. Can we see? Huh? TJ,
Yeah.
see your tick candle, yeah, Abi. See your tick candle. This was the low. We get this was the low. This was the low. And this was the high. So anything make market sell, don't take out the low. Sales not complete. If you check now, so this one now, the one rejects this one already, so that it never complete. So once you see this kind of thing on weekly already, you anticipate possible, what's it called? Look at them on monthly chart. Look. Anticipate possible bullish push from the market. Do you get? So anything make your target for the previous door hit, not sell again. Because reversal may happen, continuation may happen. So then you switch to your weekly chart. See weekly not up here. Can we see? Eh?
Yeah.
If you check monthly now,
Yeah.
see your tick candle, Doji form, it don't hit TP. It don't the one reject, we never complete. If you check weekly now, so see on weekly now, don't play. You don't get two, what's it called? Two previous selling market. Market has been bearish for the whole month now. So you don't see your tick candle dot form, see the high here. See the low. And the low now you don't get very sharp rejection. That's all you need. From here now, you switch to your 4 hour time frame. Now be that AMD when we play for there. So if you check here now, see your what's it called? It never really too clear, sha. Never daily. Let's check daily. Do you get? So now you don't get plenty range. So buy now, see how many pips to the upside. See, that's over almost 170 pips for price to go. So it's just to stay patient and to just wait. Just stay patient and you find setup. So just leave Monday. Tomorrow, Monday morning now, people now go won't start to trade. Leave Mondays. I always tell them, this one now be like what's it called? Head and shoulder pattern. I've been there. This one now go be your shoulder. Shoulder. Head all day. The market now they reject from this shoulder already. Engulfing candle there too. So without to that's it. This one I just define continuation trades. Like me now, I will need this. I will need this high now to be taken. What do I mean by taking? I will need a thick candle to close above. Once this thing close above, I will find entry for down. But for now, no setup yet. For now, no setup. This one don't move already. This one don't move already. This one don't move already. Do we get? So once a candle closes above here now, then you know see your trading range now that come this up from here now. Come up here. That's around 140 pips. If you carry this in the TP once a week, say you are good to go. Then once you don't see your GU, check your DXY if you get similar structure. Check DXY now. Go to your monthly chart. What do you see? See, see the previous when I tell that the dollar go dey bullish. See, he don't hit target already. You don't want to give reversal sign too. Check your weekly. If you see weekly now, weekly pure. If you check now, this week, I told you about weeks before. Price don't call fill the week. So most of the time, this candle, when bring that week now, should be your extreme target. So most likely now, DXY now should be coming for 97 zone. They're just not too day greedy. See your tick candle. That's the high. Then this is the low. If you work with from year to year, you are good to go. We don't need much. Are we getting it? So this thing now not close below, so nothing concerning for that one. So now just wait for dollar now to find. See this one now exactly. Impulse, correction, impulse. But which one be the most recent ones then? Now be this one. Impulse. The most recent one now be this one. So you mark here. Do you get this extreme block now? Mark and just wait. Anytime you just see market enter, you give you a reversal sign, one start to sell. You go back to your EU, GU, AU, and the rest. Let's check EU. EU, ROU, USD. USD. The same thing. Then check your higher time frame. Multi-monthly they do. You see, see EU hit TP well, oh. GU now not hit TP. Though they won't reverse. Now, then I say market not be waiting you feel really just predict. Is not really the stuff is random. The day go in your favor, happy. The day not go in your favor, not cry, rest. You can't be unfortunate always. This one almost CTP now. EU never starts. So that's just it. So but this from this one now, you know, as DXY go they bearish from your weekly perspective now. So once it's bit buys on this pair, then check now your 3 candle from already. From already. So that's it. That's it. Do we have any questions? Huh? Any questions for me?
None from me. Oh.
Okay. Nero, any questions? Huh? So maybe tomorrow evening we will do market. Let's just check for what we might trade this week. I'll be free tomorrow evening. I'm not doing anything more. So tomorrow evening will be for class like learning. We'll just check all the pairs together. Let's see if we find our 3 candles when we trade, then we'll know how best to engage in. We'll see this one now too. What was it called? Okay, weekly, what's happened? Weekly just see previous week. Okay, check daily. Good. See NASDAQ now. And see this low. Don't they go already? See your tick candle here. Doji dot form. Just simple something. You mark the high now. That high now will be your what's it called? Your TP. Once you don't see this thing for D1 now, what do you do? Switch to H1. See as H1 appears. See the what's it called? Impulsive push. Check the action. What you do now? Your doji form for there. You mark it and extend. That's it. Are we getting it? That is just it. You don't need much. This one not close above already. You don't close. If you go lower now, you will see your plenty structure well. But that forest not really supposed to have the mentors called the make and just the fall in one kind. Probably like the forest now one kind very hard something. Check for now to engulfing candle day here. So this stuff not really hard. Me now, if you get how market go move, go up small. I fit find entry for here. But anyhow, it's a Monday. Sorry, it's a Tuesday. So either we'll trade from this extreme. I go show now much later, not be now. So tomorrow we'll do just market reviews. Today na normal learning. Then tomorrow Sundays na before wetin we will anticipate that whole week. See this one now to see like two buying days, Georgie Duffon. So you anticipate the next weeks now to sell till this low is taken. That's just the idea. Just three things. Check this in on your higher time frame. Check your monthly. If monthly not clear, check weekly. If weekly not check daily. You must see something to trade. Like you not get how much, you must see something to trade. Like you must. This one I see tick two tick candles off from already. You can just pick the first one. That's your reference point. That's your low. You mark the other one as your high. Now those you don't from already, don't close inside. That's your A setup already. You switch to your 4 hour time frame now. What you define? Your cell structure. Check it now. Correction dot taking. See impulsive push already. So now you just need what's it called? Market to come back to the 50% of this block. You measure this thing now. Just expect market to come 50% and you short. Are we following? Then see here to engulfing candle dot day already the weight. So that's just it. You don't really need to do much. This thing will sell past that first candle now, man. This is supposed to sell past. But that place can be your CP1. Then this extreme will be your CP2. That's it. You don't it already. So see your impulsive sell, don't break, correction, impulse. Wait for that extreme to go short. Are we getting it? Huh? We dey follow. Muna dey talk now. Make I understand how I talk to myself.
Yes, boss.
Check weekly on USD. See this one to the same thing. The same three can just train your eyes to see. Me, I not feel the monitor every pair like other times I did very active. This I feel day and sleep patch my that my room go crash. I know they sleep my day room. See, the same thing happen on the weekly. See the sell to the hit target. So once you see this thing, drop off for good, find entry together. But I don't show now the lower time frame criteria already. So I don't really see why I'll consider do much against it. I don't show us almost everything finish. Trade us almost everything. This one now, what can you see here? See the last sell correction. So market will react. So that's just it. So this buy is not concerned also. This buy is not concerned us. Because one, now take this thing, that this low. Market never use them. So this buy not concern me. Not concern me. I'll see sell. Then DXY is bearish now. So why I want to call it buy? What's it called? USDC short. So still bearish. It's very nice engulfing candle for here too. So market might just come back and continue. So USD cards, what's it called? USD cards, USD CHF, USD JPY. They work out together. That's just they work out together. So tomorrow we'll do market reviews. Check waiting. We anticipate this week and find how best to engage. Huh? So Francis. Hello? TJ.
Yeah, I did hear you.
You see this thing and market sold for days. Joji fund, see the buys. Then you get one thing I want to tell you now. See this something in life. If you notice, what was it called? I don't know how to explain this thing now. You get where market go easily work out through. You get where it go take time to break. If your point of entry, the candles is very small, like fine, these are our structure. Impulse, correction, impulse. If you notice, say candles when it is impulse are much, like let's say 10, it's more than 3, it's more than 3 candles. Trash them. Do we get? Like you need to just see like 2, 3 candles. Like this one now, see as it just run easily. But you see this one now, click, 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 click. This kind one, it dey funny one kind. Are we getting it? So if you see
Yeah.
say your impulsive push, the candles when form for here, they so plenty. The chances say that thing will fail you, they high pass say you will make money for that setup. I don't notice that thing very well too. You will see here now. This one just dropped. See how many candles? What's it called? You see the drop a bit? The candles are not more. So anything make markets waka come back this zone to return on go hard. Then if this kind of zone be your TPCF, you go switch to trade enter because now just switch run. Check what was it called? That the US 100. Then I trade the other time. Now see if I figure that this thing. Now it's 100 rather. That can still be applicable for your TP zone too. If you see say your TP zone not get much noise, it dey quickly. This setup carry me play this week. I won't cry. See the imp. See you see something a bit TJ. See the cell.
Yeah, it's just 3 candles there.
Exactly. So in this kind one, the market not supposed to delay. See the sell correction sell because it give me better nice. What's it called? Hammer waiting. I enter for here. And so market dance, dance, dance. Come back. Take me out. Finish. See the sell. Do you get so like you can't be 100 in the market. Now the market makers they print the candles give you. And I see type S do me that deal. I see type S do me. But collect better money for yourself. But it happens. So you go fit get your nice set of things, market go do in thing. But make sure say the candles around your point of entry dey impulsive. That's just the secret. You see all these ones saying plenty, click, 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 click. I don't like them. I don't know why. I don't know. So just make sure say if you check here now to see this push, now in return this price come up. You see this push will be impulsive. Sharp doji because it form for here again. See am. So normal you went sabi trade because it's doji sharp this you just know your setup will fail, but this zone was still very high. Before you take out this high, see the sales. So me will try. Let's try. Muna for no strength of the candles them. See the way